Hi everyone, Warren here from Excel Employee Leave Tracker, and today I'm going to show how to find duplicates within a table or spreadsheet easily and then delete and remove all duplicates. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up icon and leave a comment. Okay, so what we have here is a small data set that has the first column of names and the second column with job titles. With this small data set, it may be easy to go row by row to find a duplicate. However, Excel can do this for us easily and quickly. So what we want to do is we want to highlight both columns. We want to go to the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, go down to Duplicate Values, click OK. And there you will see all rows that contain a duplicate will be highlighted. What we're going to do now is click on OK. And we have our information. Now to delete the duplicates, what we're going to do is go to Data, go to Remove Duplicates, ensure that both columns have a check mark next to them, hit OK, and now all the duplicates or the second duplicate will be deleted, leaving only unique rows or values. Click OK, and there you have it. All the duplicates that were found on the spreadsheet or tab have been removed, leaving only unique information. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like or a comment below and have a great day.